Hey guys, it's Fusion Kid back with another detailed overview of the new inventory on the lot, this time a 1969 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $36,900. We're going to do a deep dive looking at all the little details inside and out. If you want to be sure this ride is still available, head on over to maplemotors.com, click on inventory. Starting up front, the 69 Chevelle makes an immediate statement with its aggressive SS styling. You got that dual bulge hood, bold SS stripes and emblems, and a clean front bumper that really sets the tone for the Chevelle's unmistakable muscle car look. Under the hood sits a big block 396 connected to an automatic transmission, equipped with performance upgrades, chrome and aluminum accessories, headers, power steering, and power disc brakes. The exhaust runs through an X-pipe and Flowmaster mufflers for that unmistakable big block sound. The Chevelle rides on 15-inch aluminum torque thrust wheels wrapped in BFG tires, giving it the perfect period correct stance and muscle car attitude. Heading toward the rear, power is sent through that automatic transmission to a stout 12-bolt rear end, built to handle the torque of that big block 396. The dual exhaust is peeking out the back, finishing off the aggressive look and sound of this classic Chevelle. On the interior, you'll find Autometer gauges, providing a clean, driver-focused cockpit. Once again, 1969 Chevy Chevelle priced at $36,900. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the detailed overviews of all the new inventory on the lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.